Hi, if you are in the HR or training department, I have a gift for you. This is called an ExcelNinja Excel Formula Guide. Easy to understand graphical notes. And we have, well, Creative Wise Neighborhood mission is to help over 500,000 people, Malaysians to excel in workplace through improving skill, mindset, knowledge by 2035. We are also recognized as the National Training Week 2023, one of the top course provider. So it has been uh, it's a long path, right, since 2008, and we have this year. So let's see what we offer you, right? Is this? So this Excel Ninja Formula Guide, right, is a result of over 18 years of research and more. And I can see that we learned we using the you can see that it's a very quick way to understand the if function, or even you already know, right, you can use it. So these tools, right, serve as a guide for my participants, right? So after the 1 day or 2 days Excel training, they have a quick guide to refer, right, in a nutshell. For example, this, right? So we can use the number. Each of them is carefully crafted, right, with colors and words, and none in the world, right, which is something that is so easy to understand, right? Easy to understand, easy to relate. And you can see here, uh, this is so much. And next week we're going to talk about these rank large or small, right, to a manufacturing company. Let's see how we have more, such as the train function, justify, well, for example, how do you get these, right? So there are many tools, right, create. This is Excel 365, right? If you key in that, you will understand it's easier, right? As look like it also be very helpful, right, if you are using 365. The make function, the filter, the choose code, IFS words, sequences. So many let function, H stack, pivot by, group by, lambda, reduce, viral. You can see that all are characters I see here, right? So it may look complex, but this guide after the 2 days training, this guide was served. It's very helpful to all, right? So none other than us, right? This creative wise can create this amazing guides, right? So we are aimed to be the most creative, trustable training provider by over 100 public listed companies and 500 companies MNC by 2030. Happy New Year! I wish you succeed in achieving your goals. When you are grateful, things go smoothly. When you take responsibility, you grow. When you give, you receive. When you have love, people will love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So please contact us at Sales Amazing Excel Academy.